Hello, I'm Jane at Daily Step English. I just want to show you this week's idioms lesson on Daily Step with a free quiz. So if you go to my blog page, you can find it here. So do you know these weather idioms, free lesson and weather idiom quiz? So let's first of all go down here. You can see there is a quiz with some questions. You have to choose the answer. Oh, that one's correct. And there are more questions you can try. Then if you want to listen to the lesson, you need to log in if you're a subscriber. Otherwise, you can take the lesson for free. Subscribers can hear it like this.
Next, listen to this lesson and then take the second quiz below it to check that you can use these idioms properly.
But if you're not a subscriber, no problem. You can still read this lesson with all of the idioms and the definitions and some really good, useful examples. And then at the bottom, you have a writing quiz. So I'd love to come to the party, but I'm just going to write there. It's obviously not correct. Check. No, it's not correct, obviously, but yeah, and then down under there you can find out some more information. You can read some great reviews from some of my students and sign up for a free trial or subscribe, etc. So I hope you enjoy the lesson.